everybody. Thanks for watching. Welcome to our back door entry area. This is the door that goes into the garage and out through the doggy kennel. And it gets a lot of non-good attention from the dogs. When they come leaping in or out, they always push up this carpet. So I wanted to show you a quick way to fix it. Once the dogs roll the carpet up, it'll get caught in the door and it's just a mess. And it's a pain, but they make products to help that. It's called, this product in particular is called Non-Slip Rug Gripper by Mohawk. This one is about 2.5 inches wide by 15 feet long, and it will cost you under $10. Speaking of that, I'll stick a link in the description below on where you can get some of your own. And they make them in different lengths and widths, and some are as big as the rugs. But it's really a double-faced adhesive rubberized roll of tape that you put in the back, and it sticks on both sides, and you just have to make sure that your your area rug is nice and straight where you want it. The only tool you need is a pair of scissors, and you have to lay it down real flat. If yours is curved up a little bit like ours is actually raised a little bit. We may have to put a weight down there for a little while to hold it in place. But it's a simple fix. I'll put this on a tripod and we'll do a couple pieces. So I've already got a piece here. You can see right there, this piece here. I'm going to add another piece. I'm going to add another piece right at the very edge to give it a little more grip. And you just simply pull this off. This side is protected by that yellow covering. So I'm going to measure about that long. It's mostly the door area. And you just cut it off. I'm going to go right to the edge on this. So I'll flip it over. You see the earlier tape. I'm going to put this right at the edge. Push it down really good. Before you do this, you want to have a clean rug and you want to have a clean floor. For us, that means get the dog hair off. Then I'll peel this end off if I can get it here on camera. Nothing ever works as easy on camera. Alright, I opened up a closet door, turned on the closet light to get a little more light here, and I was able to get this end peeled off. So I'm going to hold it down with this finger and pull it low to the tape so I don't rip it from the surface. And of course I've made sure that this is really pressed down hard before pulling the back tape off. So now, the final step is to lay it back in place carefully and straight the first time. All right, that's it. That's how you apply, in this case, non-slip rug gripper. This one's made by Mohawk, and it'll open the door without getting caught, and our dogs won't be such a pain in the butt anymore. And it works. I'll stick a link in the description again on where you can look at your own products. But as always, thanks for watching.